So what do you need to do to prepare your place for Airbnb? Number one, I would say, is cleaning. You may think it's clean, but you need to think of the most picky guest you can imagine, and would it be clean for them? So you need to really do that. A lot of the things you have in your home, guests probably don't want to see. They definitely don't want to see your dirty underwear. Neither does your mother. Books are good for guests, things like that, but maybe family photos they don't want to see too much of. Guests are somewhat understanding. They want to, they know that it's your home, but you don't want it to be too cluttered. That's something that we've had complaints about, that we have too many of our things there. So I'm slowly trying to reduce things like family photos, things like that.